But yeah, this is just definitely a once in a blue moon thing for me. I just don't think I'm about that salon life, which I kind of knew in my head, but it just sounded so like, you know, self-care, so lofty. Take some time for you and no crying babies, just do you. And yeah, I was like, I actually want to go home to my kids. Like, okay guys, I'm getting ready to do a thing, and that is go to a professional for a retwist and style. This was not in my game plan at all, but we do have to take our Christmas photos, and I know that I'm due for a retie, but not really feeling it, so, or not really wanting to do a retie right now. Kind of want to wait till the middle of December. So I figured I would just kind of treat myself to a salon experience, and I figured I would take you guys along for the ride with me. So wish me luck! Okay, I'm done. I like it. Okay. Okay, guys, it is dark. The thing that I hate. But, yeah, I'm done, and the moon is out. Oh, that retwist, honey, it just be hitting different. Okay guys, so I figured that I would record this video really quick. I need to go to bed. My throat is doing a thing right now, and I don't know how much longer I can even stay up. I'm so tired. Because I'm about to wash my face, and I think these edges are gonna be washed out in the process, because yeah, I go all the way up when I wash my face. I think it looks really nice. It's not tight. I told her to be mindful of my edges because I am postpartum right now, and I am experiencing postpartum hair loss. So I was very mindful of telling her that my edges, and actually my whole head is sensitive, and I really need the style not to be tight. I did show her a particular style that had like more of a barrel twist look, but just looking at it, I think she was nervous that it would actually pull on my edges, so she did recommend just putting my hair up in a bun, and I can really appreciate that because she heard my concern about the postpartum and prioritized my edges. The person that did my hair was not the main stylist or owner of the salon. I think she's her apprentice. I wasn't that thrilled about my wash, but I can say that my scalp is clean. I guess I wanted a little bit more of invigorating wash, and I didn't really get that. And you know, sometimes when you wash your hair or have other people wash your hair, how it just feels so like
so fresh and so clean.
Just airy, and it didn't really feel like that coming out. I don't necessarily feel like my hair was dirty, but I didn't get that like deep down clean that I was looking forward to. Moved on to the chair. She then proceeded, her apprentice then proceeded to blow out or blow dry my hair a little bit, which I was kind of like, what are you doing? Even when I had my first set of locks, I just remember coming straight out of the bowl and then even having the towel on my hair for a little bit, and then the retwist process like starting right away. She did get that instruction from the owner, so I think she was just, you know, following the instruction. So they did that, and then after a while, after that, she came back. My hair wasn't completely dry. I would definitely say it was about 50% dry. Then she proceeded to use the My Joy gel to retwist my hair. She had a very soft and delicate touch the entire time. I think I only flinched a little bit when she got up to the front of my hair, and I usually know that in those areas I have more tangles and knotting, so that's kind of expected. Also, my hair at this point was kind of a little bit more dry at the front, so that could also explain why I felt a little bit more pulling, but it was not anything like what I expected at all. Her hand, her touch, I didn't even know, like when she was at the middle or the top half of my hair, I was like, whoa, I didn't even know that she was moving along so quickly. I don't really know if I feel comfortable shouting out this salon or this loctician yet. I didn't ask her permission to do that, and I feel like I wouldn't want to harm or hurt her business in any way, so I feel like the best thing to do is kind of just tell you guys that I went to a loctician and not necessarily shout her out. The thing is, it did take her a little longer than expected to do my retwist, and I don't know if that was because she was really taking her time and being gentle, but I felt like I was sitting in the chair a little bit too long for a retwist. Mind you, I think now that I think about it, I rather have a gentle retwist that takes a little longer than a retwist that hurts and was done quickly. So if I could be objective about it, I would definitely say that although it was a little longer than I would have wanted, that it was something I would have rathered. After the retwist, you know, the clips and all that stuff, she did put me under the dryer. And I would say I was under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Even when I do it myself, I've gone under the dryer and had a clip placed in a particular position that when, you know, the heat hit it, you could feel like the burning on your scalp, but I didn't feel that. I'd come by and check me maybe after the 30-minute mark and then decided to put me back under. The shop atmosphere was extremely peaceful. They did have like Netflix playing in the background, but it was a very intimate spot. It was kind of tight in there, guys. But well kept, very clean, very well decorated and everything. But yeah, it wasn't like the salon experience I was expecting in terms of like a large salon with, you know, conversation, different chitter chatter and conversation happening. No, it was more of a sweet style ambiance. So after I came from under the dryer, then the owner took over and she was the one that styled my hair in the bun. And, you know, she complimented me on the health of my hair, and she was surprised that I was like 2 years along. And I told her like this was my first salon experience in over 2 years. And, you know, she just really told me that I'm doing a good job of my hair, and told them that I would definitely be back. I don't know how soon that would be, but I think I would definitely go back, especially because of the fact, not necessarily for the salon experience or necessarily for the wash, but because my hair was just handled with care. Wonderful job. However, I feel like she could have done a little bit better with the washing. And that's maybe just my personal preference. But yeah, I'm hoping to interlock. I mean, man, retwist. Interlocks don't look like this, okay? I mean, I guess they have interlocks can have a clean look, but they don't hit like how a retwist hits. Like, you cannot convince me, okay? This is giving all that it can give because of how sleek and just well manicured it looks. Like, I'm sorry, that's the one thing that I would say retwisting has over interlocking. Just the look of it is just, it's amazing. Like, I usually can see my scalp when I interlock, but man, I feel like I can see my scalp with a retwist. It's getting somewhere, okay? It's going. It is growing. All in all, if I were to rate my experience, I would definitely give it like a 4 out of 5. And that's only because of, I only knocked down a star because of the length of time. Still not comfortable with that. And then the wash wasn't like the best. But the outcome was good. I did put a net over this so I can sleep and not have it like be disturbed. So I'm gonna tie my hair down and then I guess sleep the back out. That's all I have for now. I love this hairstyle. It's simple, it's me. I'm not into a whole lot of extra-ness. I like simple, and this is all me. All right, thanks, bye. Of course, I was a little extra and I brought my own cleansers because I'm that girl. But man, to go to somebody else and spend 4 hours, and that's not even counting like drive time, because it took me 20 minutes to get there and then 20 minutes to get back home. Guys, I don't think I can do it. I don't think, I mean, granted, it looks, I'll give you guys a much, I mean, I haven't seen my scalp in ages, okay? Because I don't retwist my hair. I haven't seen my scalp in ages, so it feels good to see my scalp. And I don't think, I do not believe that this is something I can do, not even on a monthly basis. It has to be like some kind of spur of the moment, special occasion.